Hello, my dear friend. Today we are going to learn the data import and creating drill hole in Datamine. Actually, for creating the drill hole file, we have required for raw data in Excel format or the CSV format, or it could be in text format. The four basic file is caller file, survey file, geology file, and assay file. These all files are should be prepared in particular format, and what is this format we will discuss in our next slide. The format for caller file is like BHID, X caller, Y caller, Z caller. BHID is the borehole ID that will be the common in all files, and the format for survey file is again BHID, 8 deep BRG or azimuth. BHID is as same as it was in caller file. The deep and BRG will be the if the drill holes are on angular, like the BRG bearing is about around 315 degree, or that is the azimuth or BRG, and the dip will be the angle of that borehole. Format of assay file, again BHID, from to length and all radicals on which we have the chemical analysis of our boreholes. That will be the radicals. Format of geology file, BHID, from to length, L code is the litho code. We should to give the code to our lithology, and L numeric is the number of that lithology. Like if we have the lithology like limestone, phyllite, amphibolite, then we will give the lithology number. Limestone we will give one number, and other rock like waste rock we will give 2 number, 3 number. This is the particular example of caller file. X caller, Y caller, Z caller. X caller is a sting, Y caller is a northing, Z caller is a MRL of that caller, RL of that borehole. Survey file, borehole ID 8 deep bearing. Here the borehole are vertical, so the dip will be the 90 degree and bearing will be the 0. Assay file, again borehole ID, from to length, and the radicals like SiO2, L2O3, Fe2O3, CaO, MgO. This is, here we can see like that borehole ID, from to length, SiO2, L2O3, Fe2O3, CaO, MgO. These all are the radicals, and here the same format for from to, and L code is the given like soil, DGL, cavity, DGL. L numeric give the number of that lithology, that will be the litho file. Litho file or geology file. Data importing. For importing that data which we have created like caller file, assay file, survey file, geology file, now we will import that all file in Datamine. For that we will type command import, IMPORT, import in command box. Here is the command box. We will type in command box import. The dialog box will open like this. Here is the data. First column is data import and second column is data type. In data import we have the driver category, and in data type we have the type of that data. So if the file is in Excel format or CSV format, we will directly choose driver as a ODBC V2. We can choose ODBC V2, and data type will be the table file. Then OK. And if we have the file in text format, then we will choose text and table. Then OK. Here we will choose select our file like caller file, open. The dialog box will open like this. First we will choose, if our file is in text format, then this type of process we have to follow. The dialog box will open like this. Here we will choose delimit. Again the next dialog box will open like this. We will choose here comma. Then again next. Here we will give the name of all the column. In first column we will choose first column and give the name BHID, and in BHID we will choose alpha because some alphanumeric character are there, so we will choose alpha. And in next column X color we will choose X color. Then here we will choose numeric. Then we will select Y color column, Y color column. Here we will again choose numeric. Again Z color column, again we will choose numeric. After this complete this process, we will click on finish. This dialog box will open. The file name will show in base file name. OK. Again we will follow the same process for survey file. This all process will follow for the text file. All file will come in its folder, like caller will come in caller folder, survey will come in this download survey folder, and caller file survey file, and essay file. One column will create for essay file and one column create for geology file. Geology file also come in essay folder. Now after completing the data importing, we will type command for creating drill hole. The command will be the holes 3D. We will type in command box holes 3D. This dialog box will open. Here we can see the import file name, caller file, survey file, sample 1, sample 2, sample 3. To show in caller file, we will browse our caller file from the project menu bar caller folder. And in survey file we will browse survey file, and in sample 1 we will browse our essay file, and in sample 2 we will browse our geology file. Then OK. No, not OK. We will go to the output file. We will give the output file name as per our design in output file, and we can also create an error file. It is on our choice for showing our it will show the error if any error comes. And in parameters and fields, in parameters there is nothing change. And after OK, our drill hole file will be completed and come as a drill hole file in drill hole folder. And we can drag it in a graphic window for show our drill hole. This is our drill hole file. It will come in drill hole folder. Here we can load the drill hole by drag the file in design window. Okay friends, hope you will understand the process. Any problem you can type. If you feel any problem, you can type in comment box and give me suggestion also. You can give me suggestion also.